Financial markets are no exception to the rule that time waits for no one. The key to success in crypto trading, especially, is being able to keep up with the quick price changes. Confusion may result from the abundance of cryptocurrencies, the scarcity of effective trading methods, and the variety of tools available to novice traders. Fortunately, technological advancements have made it possible to automate a number of trading procedures, including trend analysis, order execution, and market analysis. This gives more time for strategic planning and laying the groundwork for long-term success in crypto trading. In today's video, we will learn about what is automated crypto trading and how does it work. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. What is automated crypto trading? The technique of employing computer programs, also known as crypto trading bots, to purchase and sell virtual currencies on someone else's behalf is known as automated crypto trading. These computer programs are designed to respond to changes in the market and enable trading at the ideal time. Additionally, automatic cryptocurrency trading eliminates the risk and emotion associated with manually buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The majority of automated crypto trading platforms are still APIs, notwithstanding some more recent crypto bots that use smart contracts and function directly on the blockchain. The term API stands for an application programming interface, which enables your account to communicate with a cryptocurrency exchange so that it can open and close positions on your behalf based on predefined criteria. If you like our videos, please hit the like button and share. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe so that we can bring more videos for you. Trading cryptocurrencies automatically has many benefits over doing so manually, one of which is that bots may operate non-stop. They will always stick to their game plan because they are emotionless, and they will swiftly adopt any new market trend or event that occurs. There are several different categories of cryptocurrency trading bots, each with unique features, functions, and costs. The most common ones are often grid trading or arbitrage bots. While grid trading is based on the buy low, sell high strategy, arbitrage bots take advantage of price disparities between exchanges. Different features can be found on some automated crypto platforms, such as the hodl function on 3 commas. This goes beyond simple trading and enables users to automatically purchase and store cryptocurrency by doing so at a discount. The consumer is free to select the cryptocurrency they desire, and a bot can help them do just that. Data analysis, signal development, risk allocation, and execution are the 4 processes that automated cryptocurrency trading typically follows. Data analysis. It is crucial for success in today's technologically driven environment, which is why a crypto trading bot needs it. Data mining tasks can be completed more quickly by machine learning-enabled software than by a human. Signal generation. Following the completion of the data analysis, a bot can predict market trends and identify potential trades using market data and technical analysis indicators. Risk distribution. The bot divides risk across various investments depending on specified criteria provided by the trader in the risk allocation function. These regulations often specify how trading will be conducted and what portion of funds will be used. Execution. An execution is the process by which cryptocurrencies are bought and sold in response to signals sent by the pre-activated trading system. The signals will now produce buy or sell orders, which are then transmitted to the exchange via its API. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.